I've got this great camping chair by Husk Firm. And as you can see, we have got lots of protection from sun and other elements. So just so you can see, I have everything set up here. This chair accommodates up to 330 pounds, and I love it. We've got Velcro attachments to keep the sides attached to the armrests. In the armrest, you have a little cooler pouch here, so if you want to stick a soda or cold beer, you got a spot right there for that. This side, you have a cup holder or can holder, easily accommodates, and an additional pocket. I'll give you a close-up look of that, but within itself, really, really fantastic. All right, so see the chair here, give you a full glance on this. What I'm going to show you, so this is the pouch where you can put additional things. You've got your cup holder, another pouch. See how all this is attached. So you've got, I should get that better attached, but that attaches there. We've got Velcro all along here to keep everything really in place. And it's windy today, so I'm really glad that Velcro attachments are on there. And then you also have Velcro that attaches back here to keep this in place. So really, really an awesome camping chair. I mean, I really couldn't be more pleased. But let's go ahead, we'll put it away and I'll show you how compact it is and how easy it is to carry. But the Husk Firm camping chair, it's awesome. Now I will quickly put this away and show you how compact and easy this is to store. So all of the sides, they just roll up and tie, kind of get everything tucked back in here and push that down, squeeze everything together. Now let me just get it in the bag. And then easily stores back in this package. 14.5 pounds and easy to carry.